Hello, welcome to Traditional Medicine channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest update. In this video we can see the proven steps to reduce weight. Drink 1 glass of water 30 minutes before a meal to help digestion. Remember not to drink too soon before or after a meal, as the water will dilute the digestive juices. Drink water an hour after the meal to allow the body to absorb the nutrients. Black coffee helps in rapid weight loss by making you work out more if you have it 30 minutes before you hit the gym. Black coffee helps to boost metabolism by approximately 50%. It also burns the fat in the tummy since it is a fat-burning beverage. Study has shown that green tea can help burn fat, especially that stubborn belly fat. Green tea contains catechins, which helps the body metabolize body fat more quickly. Intermittent fasting is an effective tool to lose weight. It can help you eat fewer calories and optimize numerous hormones related to fat loss. Intermittent fasting is an effective way to lose weight and improve health. Studies show that it can help you lose weight, improve health, and perhaps even live longer. It is true that you will lose weight simply by cutting out sugar. On the other hand, if you continue to eat sugar, your chances of gaining weight grow higher and higher. A low-carb diet is low in carbohydrates, primarily found in sugary foods, pasta and bread. Instead, you eat whole foods including natural proteins, fats and vegetables. Studies show that low-carb diets result in weight loss and improved health markers. Keeping healthy food nearby can help prevent you from eating something unhealthy if you become excessively hungry. Capsaicin promotes the stimulation of brown fat, which aids in metabolism. Spicy food may also help you with your food cravings. Research from Purdue University found that eating spicy foods can decrease appetite and lower the amount of calories you eat. Fiber is often recommended for weight loss. Eating more foods rich in fiber, especially viscous fiber, can be an effective strategy to lose weight. However, like many weight loss methods, it won't lead to long-term results unless you pair it with a lasting lifestyle change. Eating plenty of fiber from real foods can have numerous other health benefits. To lose weight, you must eat fewer calories than your body uses. The water and fiber in fruits and vegetables will add volume to your dishes, so you can eat the same amount of food with fewer calories. Most fruits and vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories and are filling. Sleep is highly underrated but may be just as important as eating healthy and exercising. Proper sleep can help you avoid excess weight gain and, over time, lose weight. People who diet tend to gain more weight over time, and studies show that dieting is a consistent predictor of future weight gain. Some studies show that chewing more slowly can help you eat fewer calories and increase the production of hormones linked to weight loss. Thank you for watching Traditional Medicine. Share, like and subscribe to the channel. Drop your comments below and share with your friends. Thanks for your support.